I rise because earlier today, House Bills 4244, 4844, 4846, 5020, and 5144 through 5151 were referred to the Committee on Economic Development and Regulatory Reform, and I object to those referrals and hope that the Senate would change that referral. I do so because the chair of the committee has already indicated, even before those bills were sent over to the Senate, that they would receive absolutely zero consideration or debate. In fact, one news report quoted the chair as saying, and I quote, "Do you want these bills labeled do not resuscitate or dead on arrival when they come to the Senate?" End quote. If that turns out to be the case, the real victims will not be the bill sponsors or those members of the legislature supporting this legislation, but the men and women of Michigan who played by the rules and were still devastated by insurance companies acting in bad faith. Let's be real. Michigan citizens who routinely and regularly pay their insurance premiums expect when they file a claim to be offered an opportunity at some form of benefit. The issue of insurance companies wrongfully denying consumers who have legitimate claims in their time of need deserves a thorough, open discussion in the Michigan Senate. 46 other states across the country have enacted protections for their consumers, families, and businesses who have been bankrupted by profiteering insurance companies who put profits above people. If the chair of the committee is so confident in his position that he is willing to attend a House hearing and declare this effort over before it's even begun, he should have the courage to hold the hearings and take a vote. If he truly believes his own rhetoric and reasoning, debate your position and let us move on to a vote. And if the majority expects anyone to take them seriously when they claim to care about the economic struggles of Michigan families, they will refer these bills to a committee willing to consider them. Since, again, regretfully, the chair of the committee now with jurisdiction is apparently unwilling to hear from those who have been wronged. Let's prove to the public we're capable of chewing gum and walking at the same time, that balancing budgets and protecting consumers are not exclusive of each other, and that this Senate is not just a place where good legislation goes to die. And I would ask that my remarks be printed in the Journal.